Get your drone down.
I can't.
Yes, you can. I've had a DJ drone.
Yeah, but it's up flying now. I've got to keep watching it.
Get it fucking down now.
Well, you don't have to swear at me. I'm being polite and civil with you.
Not.
At first, this looked like nothing more than a routine visit, calm, ordinary, and completely unremarkable. But the moment questions turned into demands, authority stepped in, tempers rose, and a simple encounter became a confrontation about control, legality, and ego. So what really happened here that pushed everyone to this point and made it spiral so fast? This is not recreation or stock footage. This is real life, captured by pure audits. Every second shown is authentic. The full, uncut source footage is available in the description because truth matters more than presentation. Before explanation, there is only control, a demand, a refusal, and the instant assumption that force should decide everything here.
What? What? What?
What are you filming?
What filming?
Pardon?
What?
What are you filming?
What filming? Where?
What's that in your hand then?
Nothing.
Other one. Come on, I'm not stupid. I'm not stupid. You're on camera.
Where? I'm not on camera. Where?
Yes, you are. You've been filming.
Am I?
Yes.
Oh,
So, what have you been filming?
I'm just doing a movie, just a little video.
Who are you working for? Are you here
What? Yeah, I'm
you-
here today.
with Christy?
Well, I'm here. What do you mean with Korea? With Christy. I'm here with Christy now.
Well, are you? Have you been signed in at the front? Have you?
What?
I want to know
Yeah.
what you are doing here filming. That's what I would like to know.
Well,
The first questions already carry accusations. The camera has harmed no one, yet suspicion arrives fully formed, defensive, and personal.
just walked down and saw it was all open and thought I'd film.
Can't.
I've got some a document to show you.
Let's have a look then.
Yeah, I don't understand.
No, I don't
Oh.
because I just wondered
Yeah.
why. Because you're actually being filmed. I don't know.
I was going to set up my cameras and everything and do some drone footage. A drone can come over. Shall I show you?
Yeah, I don't know nothing about this. You
Right,
see.
yeah. So look. Yes.
Well, that's
The document barely matters. What matters is how quickly confusion becomes leverage when nobody wants openness, only compliance and retreat.
that's it. Now I'm getting lost.
Well,
You're not supposed to be filming round here, mate. So nobody knows anything
Yeah.
about you filming nothing.
yeah, I was just doing my camera and my drone. My
Well, no, not round here.
no, it's going to come on the building and it's just.
Well, as far as you
Yeah.
can't do it, can you?
I don't know what the legalities are there. You're not allowed to film in the building.
Well, that's what I'm saying. I don't know. Nobody said anything about anybody.
You need to find Sarah then. Sarah's in the building, she's office manager, you need to find her.
She's not in today.
She is, she's already in the building.
She'll be all right about it. She'll be all right.
Right. You sure? Right, hang on a minute.
Please.
Once more staff appear, the mood changes instantly. Numbers create pressure, and pressure is often mistaken for legitimacy and truth.
Help you?
Who are you?
This is my boss.
Ah, right,
and
yeah.
I would like to know
Right.
why you're
I
filming.
was just going to set up cameras
For what?
and my drone to come over just to
do what?
What? Well, I showed him my authority earlier.
And I can't read it. It's in Japanese or Chinese, and I don't think it's correct myself. But
I don't understand why here. What's your name? Sorry.
Mr. Lick.
So Lick, what is your profession? What you doing here?
What?
What are you here? What are you doing?
What do you mean?
What are you doing here? This
Well-
is a private property.
Yeah, but I come down here because I'm on the estate and I wanted to come here.
Management enters sounding certain, but certainty is not the same as law. Authority often performs confidence long before proving anything.
This is ridiculous. All I did was come along to do my video.
Well, it's a private. You should have authorization to do your video.
I got authorization.
Can you show it to me? Because the authorization has to be from. We are in UK land. It has to be in English. Do you have it in English?
I've got my drone badge.
Okay.
When language becomes the argument, substance disappears. They stop discussing rights and start treating unfamiliarity itself as evidence of wrongdoing.
Me.
Why you will be doing a video about my company? It's me who will ask you to do the video about my company.
Is it your company?
You are not allowed to do a video about my company.
No, but I was going to be out here doing a video.
This is out here. It's my property. It's not your property. I'm not coming to your land or your house to do your video about your house. So to come on here where you are staying here, you need to have my authorization.
No, but I was going to be doing it over there.
Well, if you could just take your stuff and go over there and wait for the permission to come here, because no one allowed you to come here. Because here I will call the police because you are not here in the right place.
Where's the right place?
It's not here. There.
Yeah, but this is just the road. Look.
This is not a road. This is a private. It's written there. It's private property. Yes.
This
is private.
Here, the conflict hardens. Property is invoked like a weapon, less to clarify boundaries than to silence unwelcome scrutiny altogether.
Show me your copy of your licence for your drone, please, or I'm calling the police now.
What licence?
You have to have a licence to use a drone.
I haven't got a licence.
You better get it down now then.
No, look, I'm showing you. Look, do you want to see
I don't want to see it. Get your drone down now, or I'm calling the police immediately. Get it down.
All right, look. What do you want me to do?
I'm going to take a picture of you.
Why?
And I'm going to report you to the police. Unless everything you filmed of here, you delete. Otherwise, I'm going to ring the police now.
I'm in a public area.
You have to have a licence for a drone to do filming.
Who are you?
I'm not telling you who I am. Who are you?
Mr. Lick.
The drone changes the temperature immediately. What was irritated on the ground becomes panic once observation rises above eye level.
Is an infringement of our privacy and our rights of our property and our thing. So you get your drone down, or I'm going to call the police now because you're making illegal films.
But you don't own the airspace?
Would you like me to Google about having a licence?
Well, I'm flying at the moment.
Get it down.
I'm only just flying my drone.
Get your drone down.
I can't.
Yes, you can. I've had a DJ drone.
Yeah, but it's up flying now. I've got to keep watching it.
Get it fucking down now.
You don't have to swear at me. I'm being polite and civil with you.
Not.
Anger gets louder when the legal footing gets weaker. Volume steps in where certainty cannot hold, and restraint disappears fast.
The thing down, or I'm calling the police. You are acting strange. You are strange.
I'm flying.
Get it down. You're one of those jobs worth in life. Get it down now.
I'm just in the airspace. Look, can I show you the
You're
drone?
not in the airspace. It's illegal.
It's not illegal.
You need to go get a life.
This is my life.
Oh, fuck off. You're a shit life you have, mate.
That's not very nice to say.
Nor are you.
Well, if you leave me alone and I can finish my drone footage and then I'll be gone.
Get it down.
Yeah, but I can't get it down.
Why? Are you in control of it or not?
Yeah.
Then get it down.
But I can't, you're too close to me.
By now, nobody is persuading anyone. The argument has become exposed, showing exactly how thin authority looks under resistance here.